Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix keep stopping calls in Realme 15 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, reinsert your SIM card. After reinsert your SIM card, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and then click on reset network settings. Now click on reset. After reset your network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.